welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be making a cauliflower Alfredo linguine. It's going to have an added bonus of roasted asparagus. So it's a delicious meal. It's very low carb. It's dairy free. It's wonderful. And that's what's for dinner tonight. Let's get started. Okay. We're going to start with getting our cauliflower cooked up. We've got a cup of vegetable broth, and I'm just pouring all this into a saucepan. Some diced onions, a clove of garlic, and 1 head of cauliflower that's been chopped up into florets. And I'm going to put this on the stove for about 15-20 minutes. Let the cauliflower get all nice and soft. And while that's going, I'm going to roast asparagus. I just chopped this up into about 1-inch length spears. This is going to go into a 450-degree oven for about 15 minutes. So while the cauliflower is cooking, the asparagus will be cooking, and I'll be boiling the water for the spaghetti. You can use just any plain spaghetti, any kind of pasta that you enjoy. So for this, it's just whatever you get from the store is wonderful for that. So I'm going to get this on the stove and get it all soft and steamed, and then we'll go from there. Alright, our cauliflower has steamed for about 15-20 minutes. Our asparagus is roasted. The pasta's cooked. Now I'm going to show you how to put all this together. I'm going to take the cauliflower, the cooked cauliflower, and put this in my blender. And I add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. That gives it that cheesy flavor. 1 tablespoon of white miso paste. And a 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm just going to blend all this together until it's smooth. Very good. I'm going to give it one more good blend. I'm going to put the roasted asparagus in with the pasta. Pour the sauce on top. And give it a good stir to get everything evenly distributed. There you have it. Nutritionally dense cauliflower Alfredo, and low carb, high protein. It's really good for you, and it's delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.